Hi, it's Marvin. Today I've got a 2-hour Morrison's block paying £40, followed by a second 2-hour Morrison's block paying £40. It's Sunday morning. It's sunny, but it's quite cold. It's -1 degree C at the moment, so got to watch out for icy roads, especially if we're sent into the countryside. So we're heading to Morrison's in Gloucester. Morrison's from Gloucester can go all the way up to Tewkesbury, down to Stroud and Stonehouse, and off into the Forest of Dean, which is the other side of the River Severn to where I live. Generally it's about a 30-minute drive, kind of radius around the store. Ride along with me, we'll see how it goes.
Roundabout, turn left, then turn right.
Here we are.
Turn right.
That. So we have got a 3, a 2, a 5, a 13, a 9, and a 5. So 37 parcels, 6 stops. The first stop is 16 minutes away, 7 miles. So I'm going to use my petrol for that. Then the last stop's quite far away from the rest, so we'll get the first bunch done on electric and then switch back to petrol for the trip up to Tewkesbury and back. Not too much traffic about. See you at the first stop. Hello, got your Morrison's for you. Here you go. Thank you. Have a nice afternoon. Hello. Got 9 bags altogether. Look. Yep. Here we go, all done for you. Yes. Have a nice afternoon. Oh, puffed out after that one. 9 bags up those stairs. 3 trips. At least it was only the first floor. Okay, I'll put a card through the door then. Yep. Do you want this?
Yeah, it's
You're right for the third one. This road is a 25% hill. 1 in 4 in old money. Just a little bit steep. Hello, got your Morrisons for you. Got 13 things altogether.
Sorry?
13 lots altogether. Amazon knows where everything is by the little QR codes on the bags.
Sorry?
They know where everything is by these little QR codes. It's quite clever.
Yes, yeah.
Yeah. Cool. It was a bit cold this morning. It was -2 when I started. Oh. They're the important ones, aren't they? The cat food.
Oh, absolutely. Yeah, we're getting low on this.
Thanks. Cool. Have a nice afternoon. Hello there. How are you doing?
Oh, not bad. Oh, thank you.
5 bags. You must have ordered something good because it's asking me to check the year you were born.
Wait, the what?
The year you were born.
Oh, yeah, no, yeah.
So, what year were you born?
78.
We don't have to see it. So you don't have to see it now. We used to have to look at everybody's ID, but now, if you're over 25, then it lets you do it without looking at the ID.
No.
Makes it a bit easy. Like it's in the shop.
I do much there, though.
That's all right. I pay for me a cup of tea at lunchtime.
Yeah.
Thank you. Thank you very much. That's a nice little £5 tip from that customer. That's a real Marvin's Flex tip. 5 miles to the next stop. So we're on petrol for this one.
6 miles.
Hello. I am now the sun's come out. It was a bit cold this morning. There we go, all done for you.
Lovely.
Thank you. Have a nice afternoon. First block done, I'm back at Morrison's now. So that was a 2-hour Morrison's block, done in just under 2 hours, about 10 minutes early. So £40 for the block, so £20 an hour, it's not too bad. Especially as it's January, there's not many logistics about. Also got a £5 tip, which is very nice. So I'm going to use that to buy some lunch now. And then I've got another block in 40 minutes time. See you when I've loaded up. So we have got 2, 3, 5, 4, 7, 10 and 7. So 38 parcels and 7 stops heading into the Forest of Dean. I'm sure Gloucester actually pays higher than other Morrisons because it's danger money. I think drivers go off into the forest and sometimes they never come back. Right, let's head off. Hello, got your Morrisons for you. Those are a bit heavy, be careful of those. There we go, all done. Have a nice afternoon. Oops. There we go. We're done for you. Cheers. Have a nice afternoon. Hello, got your Morrisons for you.
Lovely, thank you.
That one's a bit heavy. And that one says fragile. Here we go.
Okay.
Thanks. Have a nice afternoon. Hello. Oh, not bad. At least it's sunny now. This morning it was freezing.
Oh, it's cold.
It was -2 when I started work. Got one more to get you.
There's blue sky, isn't it?
Yeah, it's a lot nicer.
Yeah.
There you go. Well done for you.
Right, thanks very
But
much.
it's popping out a bit there.
Oh
Be
yeah,
careful.
nice one.
Cheers. Bye. Hello there, I've got your Morrisons for you. Yeah, Morrison's. Yep, sure, will do. Thank you. There we go. So that was another 2-hour block, finished in 2 hours, a little bit under 2 hours. £40 for the block, so that's £20 an hour. And finished before it got dark, which is good. Sun's just about to go down. So is it still worth it doing Amazon Flex? In January, there aren't as many logistics blocks, so getting Morrison's for £20 an hour is still pretty good. I think I'll carry on doing these. So tell me in the comments what you do in January. Do you carry on doing Flex for the cheaper block prices, or do you see if you can wait for a better price, or do you do something else? Do you do Uber Eats or Deliveroo or something else to fill the gap? If you like this video, give me a thumbs up, and you can always subscribe if you want to see more of Marvin's Flex tips. That's it for today, before it gets too dark. Bye for now.